Guys, so on the video that I did of me painting the tractors and everything, we're gonna do the part 2 of this. Here's my family. Hi, my dad, my mom cooking and everything. And let's get started. And my dog Rocky right there, blankets, and let's get to it. So just a sec. Just gonna put the camera right here. There. So you can see that this episode is to see the results. So you can see that I painted them. So we're gonna start showing this one first. So painted this. Kind of put some black paint on that. It's not so good, but I tried. And then you can see that it can go like that. You can put stuff in here, under it, everything. And yeah. Okay. This one. This one is my favorite one because it's cool. So you can put stuff in here. You can lift up like this. Look at this. And there. Scoop it up like that. And yeah, under it. See what's inside. There's not really stuff inside of it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. And this is last video. I made the last car. So this thing comes with these stickers. I don't know if you can see, but the sticker, if you put it on, it makes it look like there's like dirt on it, like this. Some cool tires on it and everything. Cat, the logo. And under it, everything. And yeah, guess that's all. Here's all of them. You can see it. Guess that's all. That's all. And so like and subscribe if you enjoy. Comment down below what should I do next, or just say something about my video if you like it or not. Turn on the notifications on. And yeah, bye.